What I'd like to do now is define a few terms. We started on this the other day. I'd now like to do it just very briefly. We talked about a fact. A fact has really nothing to do with the truth. A fact is that which has actual existence, like an idea. For example, we talked about Christopher Columbus sailing to the New World. When he did that, it was a fact that the Earth was flat. Today, it is a fact that the Earth is round. So clearly, facts can change. Being a fact does not make something true. The next is reality. Reality is that which has objective existence. So an object, an eraser, a pencil, your smartphone, whatever, those are objects. If something is an object, chances are it's real. Of course, the difficulty is determining exactly what is real. Again, we are limited by our sensory systems. Our sensory systems are incomplete. They don't give us complete information, so we have a lot of difficulty determining what is real. Truth is that which is consistent with fact and reality. So if something is consistent with both the facts and the reality, we can demonstrate, or we know then, that it is true. The difficulty obviously comes from the fact that we don't know what's real. Our sensory systems only give us incomplete information, and for that reason, we can never know what is really true. Okay? It's a little bit different in mathematics. In mathematics, you're able to discover the truth all the time. The reason for that is because there is no reality. It's a system based entirely on fact. So proof, then, is simply a demonstration of truth. Proof is possible in mathematics because there is no reality. Proof is not possible in science simply because we don't know what's real. We have a good idea of what's real, but we really don't, for certain, know what is real. And then finally, belief. We're going to use a very narrow definition of belief, a very specific one. For us, belief is unquestioned acceptance. That's a little bit different from probably the belief that you have when you go to church or something of that sort. And by our definition, right, it's difficult to believe in anything, at least as scientists. We don't want to believe in anything. We want to question everything. The Pope, by our definition, does not believe in God. Clearly, the Pope is a smart man. Every night when he goes to bed, he's asking himself the question, is there a God? So by our definition, he doesn't believe in God. I'm certain that he comes to the same conclusion every night and sleeps soundly, or at least we would hope so. But our definition of belief is very narrow. It is unquestioned acceptance, and in science, we don't do that. So fact, truth, reality, belief, and proof. For the quiz or for the exam, you will need to define those terms. So memorize them now, get them down under your belt so that it's easy points on the exam.